Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable screenshots in Time Doctor. If you want to respect the user's privacy. Now here on the top menu, okay, on the dashboard, you'll see settings. I want you to click on settings and then you'll get a drop down. From here I want you to choose users, okay? Click on this and then you'll see all the users listed for your team or your company. And to go ahead and disable screenshots, you just come here, you'll see screencasts. Now right under here, you'll see screenshots, the duration. Click on that drop down arrow, okay? And then I want you to choose off, okay? You'll see right here, it says screencast interval updated for one user. Do the same thing for all the other users. We'll change it to off for this user as well. And there you go, it has been updated. And that is essentially how to disable screenshots in Time Doctor.